coconut butter cookie macaroons coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. I really want to eat this whole plate of coconut butter cookie macaroons. A fantastic recipe, perfect for the holidays, super easy to make. To begin, I'm recreating an old family recipe. This one often served during the holidays. It's that classic butter cookie recipe. I have my stand mixer at the ready, paddle attachment is there, and I start by adding 4 sticks of butter at room temperature into the bowl of the stand mixer. I'm going to cream it until it's light and fluffy. Every cookie recipe needs a little bit of sugar. How about 1 1/3 cup of granulated sugar? This butter cookie recipe calls for 3 egg yolks. Let's add them one at a time, incorporating well after the addition of each. 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and then I have 4 2/3 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. Add the flour little by little. Our butter cookie dough came together pretty quick. I'm going to transfer it out onto our work surface, divide it in half. 1/2 I can save and make another cookie recipe. Click up there. This first half though, I'm returning into the bowl of the stand mixer. Now I'm going to turn the oven on to 350 degrees, and then I'm going to place 2 cups of sweetened shredded coconut onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. It goes into the oven. As soon as that coconut gets nice and toasty and brown, I'm going to take it out of the oven, let it cool completely, then I'm going to add it into our cookie dough. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of pure coconut extract. Those 2 ingredients go in, the dough comes together in no time. I'm going to lay it out onto a piece of parchment, place another piece of parchment on top, roll the dough out into about an 1/8 to 1/4 inch thickness, then a sharp knife, and we're going to do long strips of the dough before we go the other direction to create really nice sized rectangles. Don't make them too big. These are dainty little cookies for the holidays. We're going to transfer our rectangular cookies over to a parchment lined baking sheet. We're going to bake the sheets one at a time. Rack is in the middle position. It'll take about 12 minutes for your kitchen to smell really fantastic, and for these cookies to get lightly browned on the bottom and just around the edges. We bring them out of the oven. We're going to let them cool for about 3 minutes on the baking sheets before we transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, finishing touches for this cookie are really fantastic. I have 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. They go into a stainless bowl that's sitting atop a pan of simmering water. I've just created a double boiler to melt that chocolate. Once the chocolate's melted, give it a stir. We're going to take our silicone brush, dip, 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 and then over to the cookie, brush, brush, brush. I want you to feel very artistic with this. Go to the next cookie, brush back and forth. I love the look of this. Do maybe 5 or 6 cookies at a time, and then last second, a little sprinkle of kosher salt across the top and you're good to go. But please don't go yet, not before I invite you to check out our other holiday offerings at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, and when you're there, click playlists and then look for holiday sweet, holiday savory, and then holiday cocktails. Lots of holiday ideas there for you to enjoy. And then finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hopefully I inspired you to make this wonderful cookie, that sweet coconut butter cookie with chocolate and kosher salt. It's like a holiday dream come true. You'll find out when you take that first bite. Amazing. Happy holidays.